Hello everyone, welcome to Lance Fantasy Gaming. We are doing part 6 for September 2024. I'm doing so many of these things, it's getting all mixed up. Patreons for D&D, Warhammer proxies, and figures. If you do enjoy it, please subscribe, like, and share. All the ones we'll be looking at will be in the description down below. There's Patreons that you want us to look at, leave it down in the comments as well. Uh, let's get started. So you got Bendy Buddies. They do cool stuff for FDM printers and also resin as well. I think last we got the full ship from One Piece. That was pretty cool as well. But we got this. If it loads. Coming up, little shark boats from One Piece. Looks like it. And I think we're also getting their One Piece ship as well. Sunny ship. And you get a lot of these cool little things that you flippily floppy around for your fun needs. And there'll be a lot more as well, and if you do enjoy them. Next one is Lion Realm Studio, another figure as well. So this is the previous month, and this will be this month. We got Akaza from Demon Slayer, Utah from Jujutsu Kaisen, and you have a special bonus. Don't know what it is, but the figures do look really nice for it. And you get the past month one as well if you missed it. Another one is Trick or Treat for this month. For this is past. This is now. So we will have. That looks like Laura Croft we're getting. And I don't know what the hell the pink hair. This is Penelope Spot. I don't know. Never knew what this character is. And then the other one is Laura Croft we'll be getting as well. But we'll see. Next one is Alexa Forge. Not there anymore. Beast 3D, another figure as well. I think this one we're getting Kohaku from Dr. Stone. I think you're also getting this from Jujutsu Kaisen as well, and this is your welcome pack as well. I have not watched Jujutsu Kaisen. I might watch it one day, but I'm just not really in the mood to watch it. Gur 8 Studio, another figure as well. This is your pass, and this is what's going to be happening. Got Itsu Sumi from Delicious Dungeons, Saber, and Power, and this is your welcome, and this is your pass month that's coming up for it. So we'll be seeing a lot of figures, looks like it. I haven't really looked at much, but this is the preview of that cat, humanoid cat in the anime. This is one of the past. Ooh, that's really loud. Okay, there's that. So yeah, very good figures. Unlimited Fantasy Minis. I don't know if they're doing anything for this month. Looks like they did for September. I think this is from Zero Zone Zentless. Don't know for a fact. Do not know where all these characters are from. This looks like from Monster Hunter or Dragon Quest. Don't know about that one, and that one. So you might guys know it, but yeah, there's your figures from Unlimited Fantasy Minis. Next is the Evil One's Home. This is another proxy for Warhammer. I think 6 years redemption reward email. So you have your Chaos, Chaos Beast, and I don't know what the hell that is. Looks like a salamander base. It's weird looking. Trying to see. So yeah, this is September. So this is what we'll get for September then. So that's not that bad. Next is Big Bad Guys, another minis for D&D. This will be your September release for your. I think they finished up the Kickstarter because that was just covering almost everything up. So you have like an undead samurai. That's pretty cool. We got some Bestial Corpse. That looks like from Dead Space. Is it called Necromorphs? I believe they're called. That looks like a as an Oni. That's their version of Oni. It looks like a Jin than an Oni. But yeah, there you have it. Bad minis. Another was Miniatures God. Another Poxy for Warhammer. We're getting Chaos Space Marines. Got the bike. Got the tank. Uh, this looks like one of their version of the chaplain. I believe we're captains. We have a bikers as well. Don't know what the hell that is right there. That's kind of interesting looking. I don't have much chaos, but yeah, that looks like more of a Tyranid. But I'm guessing that's part of the chaos as well. But there's your chaos proxies for it. If I don't haven't met and not a lot of people that does chaos. For this one, they're gonna give us the link for us so we can look at it. I think this one's having trouble for all their artwork being sold on Etsy. Mad figures, figures in the name, and they haven't done anything since 8 August pin. August, Jura Street Fighter Maid level Squirtle Bulbasaur Battle exclusive Gen. That's 2023, so I think Mad Figure is gone. Creative Armory. Let's see what they have. This is August release for the Necrons. I don't know what their September one's going to be. Hopefully they'll release it. I'll put a link down for you guys to check them out. The Necron one looks pretty cool. They're a proxy version of it. Pulse Wyvern, they do kind of do proxies of Warhammer, but they do a lot more animals now. Trying to see if we can get some photos of it. This is September. So the Nine-tailed Fox. I think these are fox folks. Emus on the fox and emus and stuff like that. You use it for your D&D or you use your proxy for your Warhammer. I don't know which one you want to use proxy or which edition as well. Rolled in Studio, another figure as well. Looks like Draculi, Mihawk, King Bradley. He looks badass. And let's see here, Goku from Dragon Ball. So this is the new welcome one. We got Vegeta, Hei, and the brothers. And it's August. That's August model. So we don't know what September model is going to look like for us. So it looks like this one looks like he's pretty behind right now. Left Manchester Studio. This is another figure for World of Warcraft. I know the new World of Warcraft has came out, and I think we are getting this lady, and I am going to get the game end of the month to be the figure for it. So I don't know what it's going to look like. Hopefully we'll have more later on down the road, but the links will be down for you in the bottom. Vagrant Miniatures, another good one for D&D as well. So we have, let me see if you can find, that's July 18. I don't know, this is going to be September. Looks like this is going to be the September one. That's where it's most like grim dark, like Elden Ring and Dark Souls style of minis that you have on your game. But yeah, it looks pretty cool. Especially this will be pretty cool to have in like one of like the dungeons in the dark, grim area and scaring your party member. Yuka Pala, also having it, their thing. They just released this and this looks pretty damn cool. Ellen Joe one. I already printed one, but for this month we got Supersonical. I'm really stoked for, and my Zoyo Koyori for this month, and I'm looking heavily for Supersonical. Lily Patty, I think is already working on Rimmer's Tempest for their figure for September. So that's going to be for this coming month. Can't wait to get that. I already got this one. Karu Shiramoku. Yeah, I'm going to butcher the damn name from Kaiju number 8. Lord Zach. I don't know what this is going to be. We got Ryu for August. And welcome pack for Cammy, but we don't have anything for September for Lord Zolch. Another figure. Yukai Studio, another figure as well. Not Kakashi, not Mega Man, not that. I think for that's October, August. We don't have anything for September, do we? Huh. That's kind of sad. But we'll probably get some more during the August. What's going to happen? Everything else for that as well. But anyhow, we'll see how it goes. Remote Toto, they still do release stuff, but I haven't. They finally got something now. I think we're voting on characters right now. I don't know who's going to be winning, but this is good. There's selections for it. I'll probably pick her, and her, and her, and her. I'm not much of these two, but yeah. BioBreed Studio, another figure as well. I don't know if they're still alive. And 29, yeah, they do DC style comics, uh, figures as well. But I think I don't know what's gonna be for this month. But here's your welcome pack as well. This will be the last one. Nympha 3D. If you like lewd figure stuff from anime, Marvel, and DC, this it'll be pretty good. I think upcoming will be Raven for this month. So Raven, we already got all of these, so it'll be cool. Good to get. And that'll be it, guys. I hope you guys do enjoy it. Please subscribe, like, and share. Check out our Patreon and Discord, and I'll talk to you guys next time. Have a great day, guys. Bye.